I have never met anybody who became incredibly successful in any area of their life until they have suffered and sweated and sacrificed and kept their focus and fought through tears and trials and tests. And if you have a dream and you commit to it, it will come to pass.
No matter what happens to you, it ain't over. It ain't over. Ain't no such a thing as over. As long as God wakes you up, that means he ain't through with you yet. And if he wakes you up, you got a shot to correct it and get it right. And he kept waking me up. So I figured, okay, God wakes you up. That also means that he has something for you that you've yet to receive.
Are you fucking serious? You mean God believe in us and you play with this shit? These motherfuckers don't believe in us and God did. Get your shit together, go fucking even harder because he believed. That's the shit I'm on. I tell everybody on my team, fucking God believe in us.
I want to hear shit from you talking about you being broke. If you're not working at 60 hours minimum a week that you're getting paid for, turn off YouTube, Instagram, whatever, and get your ass out there. Go down there, work at McDonald's, Circle K, get you a job. I don't care about your pride. You can't be proud and broke at the same time. Go work, and then you take that money you make from your part-time job and take half of it, invest it to your future.
If you listen to people, and if you allow people to project their fears onto you, you won't live. What if I believed those people who told me that when I became pregnant in college that I wouldn't finish? I walked across that stage with my son on my hip, and I collected my degree. I didn't hear the naysayers when they were like, you're too old to go to California. If you don't hit by 25, you're not gonna make it. I will be 46 this year. I am just touching the surface.
Take the imagination and then take yourself there, see yourself already have completed the goal. And then hold that picture with your will. When you go there with your imagination, there is a place. Whatever it is you want, you went there with your imagination, there is a place. You stay there in your imagination, you will attract everything that's required for the manifestation of that picture. If you concentrate on the good and you concentrate on nothing but good coming to you, that's what's going to come. The thing that you will attract is what you focus on. Focus is the key. Focus on the good that you desire. Start to see it coming into your life. And a couple of times a day, sit down, just get in the habit of doing it. It's like eating or brushing your teeth. Let yourself relax and give thanks for all the good that's coming into your life and see all the good that you want coming into your life. But have a deep feeling of gratitude. Be great. Think of it.
Then when I found out you could get rich with using just a few simple philosophies, here's the first one that helped me get rich. Profits are better than wages. That changed my whole look at the economy, the look at myself, my paycheck. It was incredible. The goal to become financially independent as quickly as possible. Financial independence means the ability someday to live from the income of your invested resources. I want you to get there as quickly as possible. Someday you could, if you wanted to, live from the income of your invested resources so that now you can work for joy and not for necessity.
Expect big things. Think big. Think big. You can do it. You can do it. Why can't I do it? Take a little bit of piece at a time of daily goals, monthly goals. You can make it happen. It can happen. What's impossible in your life, go after that. Have that. Go after what's impossible.
What is everyone doing? Everyone can talk. Ask them what have they done. It's 365 days last year. I can tell you exactly what I've done last year. I can tell you the amount of people I saved from going in jail. I can tell you that I got this person out of jail. I can tell you that I've done this, and that. I've fed this many people. I can tell you exactly what I've done with my 365 days. What has everyone done?
Usually, when you're the absolute best, you get hated on the most. But never stop fighting. No matter what anyone says, no matter how they try to compromise you, compromise your vision. If it's in your gut, if it's in your soul, there's no worldly possessions that should come between you and your expression. As a race, human beings, we're a blip in existence. Death is promised. So what do you do with your life? How do you make the most of it? How do you make your voice the loudest?
The higher up you go, the more you grow, the smaller your circles become. You can't be friends with everybody. Your circles, as you mature, they start narrowing. So it's not about, how many, it's about what kind. And let me just say this to you. Don't be concerned about having smaller circle. A nickel is a circle, but so is a dime.
And some of you are in nickel relationships, and the dime is smaller, but has more value, twice the value. So it's not about the size, it's about the value, the quality.
Focus and fail fast. Learn quickly, try something new. The faster you fail and learn, the faster you succeed. You actually learn to succeed by failing.
You think that just because you're nice, the world is going to be nice to you. You're joking. Doesn't happen that way. When you do good things, it will not put you on other people's good books. They don't like you for it. That's why you have to pray like this, because when you pray like this, then no matter what they do, you remain untouchable. And then you're able to look at them without hating them, without being bitter, because you're winning. I mean, if you're winning, why do you care? Why do you care? You don't care what's been done against you or said about you, because you're winning anyhow.
I expect people to be who they are. Once you teach me who you are, you teach me what to expect. And I'm never disappointed because I never expect above what you advertise. If you advertise you a fool, I expect you to be a fool. And when I need a fool, I'll call you.
The number one rule for success in business, personal life, is cut your losses. When you realize you made a mistake, bad investment, bad hire, bad relationship, cut your losses quickly. The faster you cut your losses, fail fast, the faster you can start doing things that are much more productive.